Hello, so this is the demo for DCLBuilderAI, which is an AI-powered scene generation tool for Decentraland. So as you can see, right at the top we have this text prompt where the user can type in a description for the scene that they're looking for, and we have these three buttons. I'll show all of these three what they do. So here the user is supposed to type in the scene that they want, or the objects in the scene that they want. So for example, I can do something simple like generate 2 cubes at position 505 and position 506. So then I can either generate the code for it, which will give me the code for this related to this text prompt, or I can directly generate the scene. So first I'll start off with generating the code. So it will run a query to the DCLBuilderAI, which will return the code for this text request. So as you can see here, they are generating the two cubes. Now I can click on preview, which will load the SDK7 scene template, and this will have this will try to basically run this code. So let's see, and this will take a moment. Okay. So as you can see, I have a scene template over here, and I have 2 cubes at position 505 and position 506. Now I can also directly generate the scene without generating the code first. So the idea with generating the code first is to let the user change some aspects of the code before clicking the preview option. So if I were to directly generate the scene first, it would be I can do something like generate a random structure around the middle of the scene, or of the land. So DCLBuilderAI can also generate structures and 3D models, and it can insert it directly into your scene. So if I were to click on generate scene now, so it will try to directly generate the scene, and then it will just take a moment to reload again. Okay, so this was like a random structure that DCLBuilderAI generated, and so basically the idea is that users will be able to directly describe whatever they want, and they should be able to either directly play with the code or play with the scene. And let me use like an example from the DCL SDK7 documentation. So something like generate an avocado and a random position, and let it make it vanish when a user clicks on it. So this will basically generate an avocado, and it will try to make it vanish or disappear when the user clicks on it. So once again, it will reload the SDK7 scene template, and this should not take a long time. Okay, so as you can see, there is an avocado generated at a random position, and now if I were to click on it, it will disappear. So I can generate code scenes like this. Let me show how generate model works. So let me clear this and say if we wanted a model of a red car, I can click on generate model and it will take around 10 seconds or so, and it will give me the model of a red car. So here it is, and I will also get an email that through which I can download this model in a Blender compatible format, and I can directly use it into my scene. Right, like this. This is a sample email. So we're working on launching this tool around late next month, and users would be able to also directly like connect their wallets and publish the final scene that they want.